here is the way of assembling a chair that I got from Stables. So these are what's in the box, and we will go step by step. So the first step is this one here. Get the tires ready. First one in, second one. I guess 2 hands needs to be used here. We got this in. So getting all the tires on all the sides. Now, some people might find it difficult to get the caster into the base. So, like me, I used to press like this, which would be difficult to get it in. But what I came to notice is that you have to bend it this side and then get it in easily, and it goes in so easy. Okay, so this one is done. So to complete step 1, we'll just get this one here in, and this one up at the top. Okay, and that's step 1. Now we'll go to step 2. Will be preparing the seats. So this is the seat. So you have to get this ready. It's difficult to handle. Now, here we need to get the screws ready. So each one is being labeled with A, B. This is B. This would be B. I think these 3 will be similar. Let's see. So first of all, we get the A out. Okay, now this is the seat plate that we need to attach to the seat. So then we have the seat plate. This is the seat plate. So the easy way is to find where it's written here, front, it has to be facing this front. Okay, so now we put this blue screw, so it has the blue color here, so we put them in here, spots. So we have 4 of them. Tied on the back here, so we have all the tools needed for us to assemble this chair. Okay, so we are going to use this. Tie this up. This is time. Tie it up. It's ready. So now we go to step number 8. Sorry, step number 3. Okay, now we start with step number 3. Getting this here. So we get this here, number 3. Turn on the manual. So this hole here. So this thing has to go on this. Let's see it. We remove this first. We don't need it. And we go ahead. So now it is ready. Now that's step number 3. Step number 4 would be the arms. Attaching the arms to the seat. These are the arms. This we need. In this step we need the B, yellow screws. So that's the letter B. And then the second one. Just make sure it's on the proper place. Okay. Just make sure to get it to the right place and tighten it. Tie it up. This will be the left arm. Okay. Make sure it's tightened up. Okay, now we go for the right side. Same thing as we did with the left side. And make sure you put it in the right place. This is ready. Make sure it's tightened up. So now this is the back. So still in the back. Okay, so basically that's going to be step number 5 is attaching the back to the chair here. So now before attaching the back, just make sure that you put the arms in the right direction, the right place. So how can you make sure of that? So you see that this is lower. And you see that this is high. So this should be at the front. And here where we should attach the back seat. Okay, and there's 2 holes here. We'll attach it to the back seat. Okay, just make sure so don't make a mistake. Because frankly when I made it, I made a mistake, so that's why I had to remove it and put it back again. And get the back ready. Okay. Sometimes it is difficult to be done by one person. So attach. Now just put the screws in, tightening it up. It should be ready in a few seconds. Just make sure you cut it up properly.
So,
Okay.
Daddy goes.
This side is done. So now
Snack.
this side. Touch this properly.
Snack. Kitty hold a snack. Okay. Had a snack. A snack. It is a snack. Put it in your hand. Put the snack over here.
No, this is
So you can eat it.
ready.
But you can.
Alright.
It's this.
Hey, it's ready now. Let's see. Oh, sorry.
That.
So you got the chair ready. Put it down.
Bobby, your snack is here.
Thank you for watching.